Synchronicity 1123. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know the notifications regarding the new readings, new videos. Don't forget to comment if my readings are resonating. If not, then please check my other readings. Please note that these are general readings. It may or may not resonate with everybody. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want. Okay, if you want any personal readings, please check the description box given below. Okay, let's start today's reading. So today's reading will be, should you wait or move on? Okay, so maybe you are in separation with your person, no communication. So this is the reading for the people who are in relationship and currently separated. So they would like to know, like, should you wait or move on with your life? Okay, that is the reading, today's reading. So we have as usual 3 piles. This is a souvenir from Italy. It is kind of a plate. Then this is a gift box. Then this is a mirror. Pain helps you grow. Okay, this is a mirror. So please choose the piles intuitively. Whichever pile you have you are drawn to, you can select the pile. Okay, friends. Then what else? Nothing else to say. We will start. Okay, with pile number 1. Okay, this beautiful souvenir from Italy. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, and Archangel Gabriel, please help us and guide us to get some clarity. Should we wait or move on? Should I wait or move on? Should the viewer wait or move on? Please help us and guide us and give us some clarity. Thank you, angels. So we'll choose the cards. We need 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Okay, we have arranged. Let's flip the cards and see. Wow, 9 of Cups, Queen of Cups, Judgment, 5 of Cups, 6 of Wands, the Fool. Okay, so overall I can see your pile number 1, and it is looking very hopeful. And let's see what card says. Okay, then first and most I want to say that your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign, or your person strongly it is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or your person very less chances are there that your person may be a fire sign, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see what the card says. First of all, 9 of Cups. Okay, you both are waiting actually. So this is just about to happen. Like 10 of Cups is the fulfillment, and it is a conclusion, or happily ever after, or happily living together. So just 1 cup away for the fulfillment and conclusion. So you are waiting for that. So don't leave your hope and don't leave this connection. You are just near by like it can happen anytime. Okay, your union is written in the cards, and you are about to be together, reconcile, and your connection is meant to be together. So don't leave hopes. You no need to move on. You have to wait for the person. That's what card says. Queen of Cups. It is a love card, and you both are waiting actually, especially the feminine, female, whoever is the viewer. So she is waiting with the cup of love for the partner. So you're, but she is very stable, sitting on her throne, but she is waiting for the lover. Then Judgment. So whatever you have faced, the judgment is coming very near. So it is like the struggles, pain, sorrow, all the things will be gone. So judgment for you need the justice. So judgment is coming in your love connection. Then Five of Cups. So you are like really sad, and you don't know what to do. So you are like you don't hopeless. You are feeling hopeless, and you lost hopes actually. So you don't know what to do. One of the partner is moving away from the connection, planning to move away from the connection. That's why you people are here to see this reading. Should we wait or move on? So you want to ask. So one of the person lost hope. So okay, this connection will never work. I don't want to be in this connection. So you lost hopes actually. But the other person, six is a love card. Six is I mean, it shows love. Like love is, lot of love is there in your connection. Both of you love each other, and you have the mutual feelings mirroring each other. You both have the strong emotions towards each other. Okay, so this one, Six of Cups, you can see this person is coming with a message. He is coming fast with the communication. Maybe it's a call or a mail or a message. Okay, so this person is ready to come, ready to contact you. Maybe you are in separation from for many months or years. Okay, but this person is willing to come back to you, and he is coming very fast. You can see he is coming on a horse with the wands in his hand. Okay, this picture itself is depicting that you both will be coming together with this communication. This person is coming to communicate with you, and this person is willing to express his feelings, like what he's thinking, what he or she is thinking about you. So this person wants to be open. Maybe earlier this person is a little bit deceptive, like he was not opening his heart to you. Then he was not clear about his communication, what he is thinking, what he is planning, what is your position in his or her life. So this person was not clear, he was not communicating. But this card shows that this person will come with the communication. He is coming with a rapid communication. This is fast energy, like wands means fast energy. So this person is moving towards you very fast, and he will communicate with you soon. Then this fool. Okay, this fool is a kind of a reckless energy, and like a leap of faith. You both want to take a risk. Okay, so you both want to take a risk, and you want to take a leap of faith in this connection and move ahead. You don't know what will happen in the future. You both, it is not clear actually. It is cloudy, but you want to take a leap of faith. Like you both don't think about future much. So what is happening? We want to be together. So whatever comes in our like on the way, we will face it. That kind of energy you both are showing. So this fool, you can see here, without thinking of anything, he's looking up, and down cliff is there. He will fall down, but he is not bothered about that. So simply he's taking action without any thinking, taking a risk actually. So both of you will take a chance on this connection. You don't leave the hopes. You both have mutual equal feelings, like mutual feelings, and equally you both want this to happen. Okay, this is in the outcome position. So you both want this to happen. You want to take this risk. Okay, whatever happens, we will see. That kind of an energy, I can feel it. Okay, let me see what your person want to say. Okay, whoever is watching, Please angels give us some guidance. What their person is telling. We'll take 3 cards. Okay, 1 card is here. Let us see. Okay, first one is soulmate. Okay, so this you are in a soulmate connection. So you are meant to be together, and you are meant to be like you are destined to be together. This is a soulmate relationship. Fire sign. See this 6 of wands also is showing fire sign. So this is a love card, and this is indicating the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then this is a long distance relationship. For whoever it is resonating, please let me know in the comments, because this is a souvenir from Italy, and this is a long distance relationship. Maybe your person is not in here, not in the same country or city with you. Like the person might be somewhere far from you, maybe different city or country, maybe in UK, US, Canada. Okay, your person may be anywhere else. So very nice reading, friends. Hope you like it. So please let me know if this reading is resonating with you. Please comment. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Then, okay, nothing else. We will go to the pile number 2. Pile number 2 is the gift box. So we will see what the universe want to give you a gift. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us, give us some guidance. Okay, already 1 card flew. Okay, so please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Okay, 1 more card flew. Let us see. So we need 6 cards, and already 2 cards are here. We need 4 more cards. 3, 4, 5, 6. I've taken 6 cards. Let's see. Let's flip the cards. Page of Swords, nice. Ace of Wands, very good. 5 of Cups, in the first reading also it came. The Devil, 9 of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. Okay, so this pages represent actually communication. Young energy, young charming person is coming towards you with a cup of love. Okay, so this both cards shows the communication and also the love. So these both cards shows that this person will be coming towards you with a cup of love. So don't worry. And one more thing, your person can be actually all signs are there here. Air sign is here, fire sign, then water sign, earth sign, every sign, all signs are here, friends, actually. So majorly I can see the cups. Okay, cups means it is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I can see Capricorn here strong. Earth sign and water sign are very confident here, prominent here. So your person can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or your person can be Capricorn. Capricorn is like prominent card here. Then also your person may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, earth sign or water sign. So this card is a little bit like dangerous card, we can say kind of a bad card, but it shows that you can see the card clearly. Like these two people are tied together under devil. Okay, that means you both are having you both are obsessed actually. So if you want to leave this relationship also, you are not able to leave both together. Some kind of addiction, so addictive behavior, addictive connection. This is toxic, I can say toxic connection. You both are you both, even though you want to separate from each other, you are unable to move ahead. Okay, you are unable to move on because you both are tied with the devil. Okay, you can see you both are tied together with the devil. Chains are there in their necks, you can see that. So this is completely, you both are very very possessive about each other. You don't want to see the other person with anybody else. You want the person to be for you only. You don't want to see them to go with anybody else. So very possessive, obsession. Then you both may be stalking each other in the social media, what the other person is doing. Maybe you both are, maybe one or the other are doing some magics or spells on others. Like, I want this person, and very badly I want this person in my life. That is the kind of energy of devil. But this Ace of Wands shows that there is a new beginnings ahead. Okay, so in this connection you are very obsessed and possessive about each other, but this card shows that you have the new beginnings ahead. Okay, you both like one of you may be like losing hope and moving away from this connection. See, all the cups are here. That person is looking somewhere else, and he's about to turn his back and move away. Okay, so one or both, you are tired of this connection, tired of stalking, but no action has been taken. So you are simply like stalking each other, thinking about each other, obsessive thinking. Then you don't want to see each other. Maybe you are checking their status also, WhatsApp status, and also you are very possessive and angry also, like this, how can this person ignore me, this kind of a thing. Then this causes pain, sadness, okay, crying. Maybe you are not sleeping at night also, sleepless nights, overthinking. When whatever you are doing, you are thinking about the other person. So this is not a very good energy. You have to be strong, and you have to try to divert your mind. Okay, so the female looks like female is into in her own world. Like she's like concentrating on herself. Then she's concentrating on her money. Then beauty. Then this lady is very very like in her own world. She's enjoying her life. But this person, the masculine, is not at all happy. This masculine must be watching her in social media or photos or status, something. It is hurting him. Like, how can this person can be so happy without me? I am obsessed over here. I am very much possessive about her. How can she behave like this? Okay. But this young person, this Page of Cups, he is will be communicating with you very soon. Okay, Page is a young energy, and Cup of Love, Cup means he wants to offer his love. He has so much love for you, but at the same time, this is devil energy also. This person might be a Capricorn person, but this person has so much love for you. The cup is filled with love. So he is coming towards you. He will contact you soon. So don't worry, friends. You don't need to move on. You can wait for some time. So maybe I can see here. Maybe you have to stay like maybe for 1 month. You will hear from this person 1 month in the month of May. Maybe you will hear end of May. Maybe you will hear from this person. Then they will communicate, and you both will be talking to each other. Then you will plan for your future, like what to take, next step will be what. Okay, you will be coming out of this obsessive behavior. Let's see what your person is feeling and thinking. Already one card fell down. Okay, this person loves your eyes. He's maybe he's saying that you have beautiful eyes. Maybe he's obsessed about your eyes. He must be watching your photos. He's having your photos with him, and constantly he must be looking at your eyes. He's saying beautiful eyes. Then he's saying, oh, you got 4 cards. Okay. So there he is saying that please don't be angry. Okay, this person want to come back to you. As I said, he will offer his cup of love to you. He wants to come to you. Then he is telling that please don't be angry. Even cards also saying like you have to be little patient with this person and don't be angry with him. And as I told here, the devil, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Capricorn is very prominent. And here the handwritten card also says earth signs. Okay, cards will not tell lies, friends. So you have to trust cards, and they are saying that earth sign. Okay. Then the other one, you know me better than anyone else. Okay, so your person is very confident. Maybe you might have dated earlier. Maybe you both are friends. Maybe you are family friends or classmates or college mates. So you know him better. Like he's telling, you know me better than anyone else. Very good, friends. Nice reading. I'm very happy for this pile. All the best, friends. Let me know if anything happens, and if the reading is resonating with you, please comment below. Okay. Then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also comment if you want any more reading ideas. If you want anything else, any tarot readings, please let me know. Okay. Okay, we will go to pile number 3. I forgot. So pain helps you grow. This is a twin card, twin flame energy. Okay, this mirror means mirroring each other. Both mirrors are mirroring each other, so that means a twin flame connection. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please guide us and show us some guidance. Let us see, we need 6 cards. Okay, 1, this card is coming, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have arranged the card. Let's flip the cards and see what angels want to say. The Fool, 9 of Wands, oh, 3 of Swords, the Hierophant, Judgment, Queen of Cups. Okay, friends, all the major arcana here, actually 3 major arcana here, so your connection is very strong. Okay, this is twin flame connection. So your person may be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Even there is a cups also, like a water sign also present here. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. These any of these signs may be you, or your person can be any of these signs. Okay. So this Fool. First of all, we will talk about this card. This is a heartbreak. Okay, so you both are separated because of the heartbreak. Somebody has cheated or backstabbed. Somebody has done unfair to this connection. So you both had some trust issues about each other. So both are heartbroken, then separated. Then you both are separate, but still you are thinking about each other. Then you are waiting. Then you are both are thinking like whether to stay in this connection or move away. Should I wait or move on? You both are thinking. This is a very painful card actually, the heartbroken. Then this is a communication cards. Okay, this is a communication, 9 of wands. This person is waiting to communicate. He is not sure whether when is the right time. If I communicate, this person is having the fear of rejection. If I communicate, what this person will say, whether he or she will say, no, I don't want you, I'm not interested. So this person is very much like not sure, confused actually. So he wants to communicate, but he don't know whether when to communicate. If he communicates, will it be positive? The answer will be positive or negative. This person has done something to you which broke your heart. So now you are in this in this condition that you are in pain, sorrow, so backstabbed energy. So this person is getting scared. Actually, he is very much afraid that whether to communicate or not. If I communicate, what this person will say, he will shout or she will shout. So like that, this person is telling. So earlier you both were like in a reckless energy, like you want to take a leap of faith. You don't know, you are taking a risk actually, not leap of faith. You both were taking a risk. Like you are so much passionate about each other, so much attraction is there in this connection. So you both move on without thinking about the consequences. This is a reckless energy. You want to move without seeing what is happening and all. This person is also looking at sky and walking down the cliff is there. He will fall off. He is not aware. He is not at all bothered. So this is a risky connection actually. Okay, then what the other cards are saying. Three cards represent very nice energy, friends. So this Hierophant, it is the card of Taurus. Okay, your person might be Taurus, earth sign. Okay, this is kind of commitment actually. So this person want to give you commitment. Actually, you both reach to a certain stage that you don't know how to live without each other. So you both are so much connected into each other. You both, first only I told you, right, there are strong feelings towards each other actually. So you both have so much strong feelings. You are twin flame energy. So you both don't know how to live without each other. You both love too much, like so strong. Your love is so strong that you don't want to leave each other. Then this person will be offering the commitment to you soon. Okay. Then judgment. So judgment is you are getting the judgment because you don't know, like you have struggled a lot. You don't know what is the future. You are confused, but judgment says that everything will be happening in your favor. This is a happy outcome card. Then this is a Queen of Cups. In the love relationship readings and all, this is a very positive card. This Queen is taking the cup of love in her hands and waiting for the person. Okay, so this judgment is there, Hierophant is there, the commitment is coming to this Queen. This Queen is waiting for the person with the cup of love. Okay, this both show that both have very strong love towards each other. You can't live without each other. So this is the third pile has the very strong feelings towards each other, and their love is inseparable. Like you both cannot be separated. Maybe this person is coming to you fast with the bonds energy. This person will be communicating very soon to you. Then you both will have a very nice family. Commitment will be there. Long term commitment will be there. So you both will be living happily ever after. This pile is very nice, friends. So don't move on. Don't even think about moving on. You have to wait for this person, and this person is also can't live without you. So like so many days, this person will be coming back to you. You have to trust your love. You have to trust your person. You have to trust your connection. Oh, what I said and what it came, friends. What did I say just now? Happy family. And happy family card came. Cards will never tell lies. Okay. So because since it is a strong connection, this person is saying, you know me better than anyone else. Okay. this person, because you both are very strong lovers, strong love towards each other. So this person is also telling that you know me better than anyone else. These messages are from your person. This person is also saying that, even this came for pile number 2 also. They are saying that you have beautiful eyes. Maybe they are attracted towards your eyes, and they may be watching you in the social media, or they have your photos to see. Maybe they are admiring your beauty. Okay, very nice reading, friends. All the best, and be positive. You will have a very good outcome, commitment, happy family. What else you want? File number 3, twin flame energy. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe. If this reading is resonated, please comment in the comment box below, friends. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, viewing my videos. Thank you. See you tomorrow with another reading. Bye. Bye.